outline of the class is software quality attributes and software standards. What do you mean by these 2 points we see in this class? So in the given table, these are the software quality attributes. For example, safety, security, reliability, resilience, robustness, understandability, and so on. So these are the software quality attributes. So what the quality completes. So it is not possible for any system to optimize for all of these attributes. So all of these attributes, it is not possible. For example, improving the robustness may lead to loss of the performance. The performance may be lost. The quality plan should therefore define the most important quality attributes of the software that is being developed. The plan should also include definition of the quality assessment process, an agreed way of assessing whether some quality such as maintainability or robustness is present in the software product. So these two quality must be present in the software. So one is maintainability and robustness. So what do you mean by process and product quality? So the quality of the developed product is influenced by the quality of the production process. This is important in software development as some product quality attributes are hard to assess. So their number of attributes are hard to assess. However, there is a very complex and poorly understandable relation between software process and product quality. So the application of individual skills and experience of the engineer is particularly important in software development. So these two factors are important. So skill and experience is particularly important in software development. The external factors such as novelty or new open applications or need to be an accelerated development schedule may be impair product quality. So here in the given diagram, it shows the process based quality. So first define the process and develop the product, and next it goes to assess the product quality. It assess it. If the quality is okay, if it is okay, then standardize the process. If the quality is not good or no, it goes to improve the process. It improve the process and develop the product. So assess the quality. Quality is okay, then standardize the process. So this is a process based quality. So what do you mean by quality culture? Quality manager should aims to develop the quality culture. So the task of this quality manager is to develop the quality culture where everyone responsible for software development is committed to achieving a high level of product quality, high level of the product quality, software product quality. They should encourage teams to take responsibility for quality of their work and to develop new approaches to quality improvement. So the work is also quality. They should support people who are interested in the intangible aspect of the quality and encourage professional behavior in all team members. So the main task of the quality manager is to achieve the high quality of the product. So what do you mean by software standards? The standards define the required attributes of the product or process. So you know, so all the attributes of this software quality attributes is all these safety, security, all these things, efficiency. So the next is the standard defines the required attributes of software product or process. They play an important role in quality management. The standards play an important role in quality management. The standards may be international, national or organizational or project standards. So importance of the standards. What is importance of the standards? Encapsulation of best practice. So it avoids repetition of past mistakes, previous mistake it avoids, and they are framework for defining what quality means in a particular setting, that is organizational views of the quality. They provide continuity. The new staff members can understand the organizations by understanding the standards that are used. So these are the three importance of the standards. The first one is the encapsulation of best practice. They are a framework for defining what quality means in a particular setting. They provide the continuity. The next is product and process standards. So there are two types of standards. One is the product standards and process standards. So product means software standards. Apply the software product being developed. They include documentation standards such as the structure of the requirement documents, documentation standards such as standard comments header for the object class definition, and coding standards, which defines how programming language should be used. And the second one is the process standards. So what are the process standards? May include definition of the process, specification, design, validation, process support tools, and description of documents that should be written during these processes. So this defines the process that should be followed during the software development. So these are the two types of the standards, product standards and process standards. So product and process standards are given in the table. So design review form, these are the product standards and so on. And process standards, design review, conduct, submission of new code for system building. So all these are process standards. So what are the problems with the standards? They may not be seen as a relevant and up to the date by the software engineers. So this is the one problem. The second is if they are unsupported by software tools. If tools is not supported, then tedious form filling work is often involved to maintain the documentation associated with the standards. So these are the two problems with the standards. The standards development. It involves practitioners in the development. The engineers should understand the rationale underlying the standards, review standards and their usage regularly. The standards can quickly become outdated and this reduces their creditability among the practitioners. Detailed standards should have specialized tool supports. Excessive clerical work is the most significant complaints against the standards. So one standards framework is there, ISO 9001 standards framework. So international set of standards that can be used as basic for developing quality management system. So this framework, these standards can be used as for developing quality management system. ISO 9001, the most general of these standards. It applies the organization that design, develop and maintain product including the softwares, and these standards is a framework for developing the software standards. It sets out general quality principles, describe quality process in general and lay out the organizational standards, procedures that should be defined. These should be documented in an organizational quality management. So ISO 9001 core processor, their product delivery process and supportive process. So the chart is given: business acquisition, design and development, test. So these are product delivery process, and supportive process, business management, supplier management. All these are the supportive process. So ISO 9001 and quality management diagram is shown, and ISO 9001 certification. What do you mean by ISO 9001 certification? The quality standards and procedures should be documented in an organizational quality manual. So the quality and procedure should be documented in organizational quality manual. An external body may certify that an organizational quality manual conforms to ISO 9000 standards. Some customer requires suppliers to be ISO 9000 certified, although the need for flexibility here is increasingly recognized. So all these PPTs are taken from Anne Somerville. Thank you.